see no fangs forever, and then suddenly there's two in the same pool.
I know, it's wild. Two really good ones too.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've seen you. I don't think you probably remember.
I do remember you actually.
You do?
I do, because we had a close-ass match.
We did,
And then I
man.
saw you on, what's it called? I saw you on Hollywood, you know. So,
Hollywood?
well, maybe not. I don't think it's something else. You're a college player, right?
No.
Damn, then I don't know.
No, I'm not up to snuff.
I thought you were up to snuff. I didn't take a good look. You're definitely not.
No, I'm definitely not up
I
to
am
snuff.
sorry.
That's funny. No, mind you, we did have a good match. Except it was 2 years ago. Or 3 years ago now, actually. Holy shit, it's been a while. I played you the first round of Canada Cup 2017.
You're in?
I was a Rashid player at the time.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, no, I was follow the Buffalo guys now. I actually had K-Money in my pool.
Man, that's where I messed up.
That's a tough
I
matchup.
forgot that he did at Super, so I was playing risky, and I should have just been like, don't get hit.